Welcome to the demo of Simply Stunning for the Google Nexus 7. This video starts, as you can see, with the installation of the ROM after a wipe of data and cache, factory reset. This video will go all the way into boot up, and one thing I believe that's unique that you will see when it does come up is the ROM is self-demoing. So these are the last key presses you're going to see where I actually touched this device. I recorded it in the dark just so there was no reflection. You will see at the end of the video I'll pick up the device after the lights turned on and there's nothing connected, so this is completely a self-demoing ROM, which I believe is something new. So while we wait for it to boot up, I think it's approximately a minute and a half probably to boot up. I'll talk a little bit more about this ROM. There's not a whole lot of extra functionality yet, as I'm just getting back into the game, but some very new features that you'll actually see in the demo that I believe are relatively new as well. Some of them I'm sure you've seen in other ROMs. A couple of others, maybe not. So you can see right here immediately pops up a message saying that screen input has been disabled. Just sit back and enjoy the demo. Now this demo is with no Google apps installed, as I will not be supplying any, but as you can see I am not, well, you might be able to see I'm not actually touching the screen here. This is a self-directed demo that I've written custom for my ROM. I'm also working on a way to supply a recorder as part of this ROM where you can actually record screen actions, so developers could actually do demos of their own applications. They would of course need to use my ROM as their base ROM to do this demo. The file that is created for playback, however, can be played back on any ROM with my binary. So I'm still working on that, but as you can see, this is the new reboot menu, which has all kinds of different options: reboot, recovery, bootloader, etc. The next part of the demo is screen capture. You can see it's very fast. And this is right, again, all from the power, long press on power menu. Again, I'm not sure anyone has done anything where the ROM demos itself like this. Here is my implementation of user profiles. It is not like Google's at all. I believe it's more fully implemented. There are a couple of differences mostly between my profile switching and Google's. All of the profiles share the same applications, different application settings. However, my wife, for example, uses this device a lot, and I don't like to see her apps. She doesn't like to see mine. What I'm doing now is I'm booting into the brand new created profile, which does require a full reset and initialization by Android. So it's like a wipe again, essentially. So, we're looking at about another minute for a boot up here. Once a profile is created, however, switching is very fast. As you'll see when this comes back up, I will switch back to the default profile, and I believe it's only about a 10-second switch. And again, it is complete. You can have different wireless settings, different Gmail accounts, everything, different applications, as if it was a completely different device. I think this will come in handy for a lot of people. Again, here I will be switching to the other profile, and you'll be able to see how fast it is once a profile is initialized. That's pretty fast. As you can see, different screen, different background. And now the demo is over. Now I'm going to turn the light on, and you will be able to see that this is just braced up against a laptop to hold it up. You can also see a dirty screen, but no wires. That was all done automagically. Thanks for watching.